What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to fix the unable to join game session error and strict NAT type issues when trying to play Black Ops 2 on PS5. If you're having trouble joining friends, getting disconnected, or your NAT type is stuck on strict, I'll be going through the fixes that are actually working. I've personally tested these methods, and these are the solutions that have helped the most players fix this problem. So, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is check your PlayStation NAT type. Before doing this, make sure you completely close Black Ops 2. Then head over to the settings menu by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner of your PS5 screen. Once you're inside settings, go to network, then select connection status, and choose test internet connection. Wait for the test to finish, then scroll down until you find your NAT type. If your NAT type shows type 1, that means you have an open connection. Type 2 is the recommended NAT type and works best for playing online with friends. However, if you're seeing type 3, that's a strict NAT type, and this is usually the reason you're unable to join other players. Many players have reported that switching from NAT type 3 to type 2 completely fixes the unable to join game session issue. This worked in my case as well. To try changing your NAT type, repeat these steps and check again after making changes to your network settings. Another method you can try is disconnecting your Ethernet cable and switching to a Wi-Fi connection if your setup allows it, as this can sometimes change your NAT type. The final fix is to fully restart everything. Restart your router, restart your PS5, completely close Black Ops 2, and then launch the game again. In most cases, this simple restart fixes the problem. If you're still having issues, there are some advanced solutions you can try, including checking for CGNAT, setting up